experience.
Why does he dress like a Bible salesman?
Today I quit my job, and I blackmailed my boss for almost $60,000 as the spares.
Your dad's actually kind of cute. I think he and your mother have not slept together in a long time.
Shut up! You think you're the only one who's frustrated?
I'm not? Well then, come on, baby, I'm ready. Welcome to America's weirdest home videos. This is for your own good, boy. There are rules in life. Yes, sir. Don't give up on me, Dad. Smile. You're in Mr. Smiley's.
You are so busted.
I love shooting this gun.
Sometimes there's so much beauty in the world. I feel like I can't take it. I rule. Tried to leave tonight. Would you come with me?
Yes.
In the town of Loblolly by the Sea, life moves at a slower pace.
Condiments. Let's move on to that. Ketchup, obviously the most popular condiment. I don't think anybody's going to disagree with me on that one.
And everybody knows everybody else's business.
Did George's book come in yet? Complete Idiot's Guide to Surviving Divorce, the Divorce Workbook, and of course, How Come Nobody Loves Me.
But something unexpected is about to arrive. A love letter addressed to no one
Dearest, do you know how much
In love with you, I am.
has the whole town wondering who wrote it and guessing who it's for.
I think I just got lucky. I don't want everyone to have lost it before.
She thinks it's from him.
I've fallen in love without taking a step. You're all wrong for me, and I know it. I'm on fire.
He assumes it's from her.
Hello. You think he's on dope? Looks to me like he's on dope.
It's not that kind of thing.
She's sure it's for her.
he blinked like a wink? Not blink, but like a sexy.
And life in this simple town
Yes, Palmer's.
is about to get complicated.
So hot and full of passion.
I don't think George could write a letter for this.
Nice bod.
What do you want from me?
I want you to put your shirt on. Good pecs, nice abs. I want you to put your shirt on now. I'd like for you to put your shirt on.
I really wanted to kiss you just now, Ellen.
How's it going, Jan? Check, babe. I don't understand why you know it's for you and it's not for me. Don't flatter yourself, okay? And don't think that I lost my hair over you because I did it.
DreamWorks Pictures presents Kate Capshaw, Tom Selleck, Ellen DeGeneres, and Tom Everett Scott.
You have a nice shaped head.
Really?
The Love Letter.
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. Daddy's gonna go play with his fire hose. Does it sound right?
In a house where reality is an illusion, where imagination turns to fear, there is no escape
You love it here?
from the haunting. Liam Neeson, Catherine Zeta-Jones, from the director of Twister and Speed, The Haunting.
We're gonna pick one person, and we're gonna put that person's life on television all day long, live.
This is the guy you want to go with.
Yes.
He's 31 years old. He's a video store clerk. What is he gonna spend the rest of his life rearranging Ernest movies? We're gonna go in 3, 2, and pan.
There he is.
All right, here we go, Carlos. This is a new low point in American culture. You bring those cameras over to Big Brother, and I promise you, I will make something.
Action sequence.
I want to introduce you to my girlfriend, Sherry. She's beautiful, right?
What do you like about it? I don't know. It's just that just let me watch.
You are, though.
What? Did you see the look? She likes the head guy better than she likes the brother.
I'm going over, but all I can think about is you.
Yes, you're on television. You're on television.
Well, we have pet rocks and beanie babies, but America's latest craze is a guy named Ed.
How cool is this? He's a Beatle. You're gonna be, what do you think he's a Spice Girl?
I'm in.
You must be Rachel.
I'm trying to remember.
Everybody hates you.
Nobody hates you, baby.
You would say today, is Sherry good enough for Ed? Say what the people said. That's fun for the whole family. I don't want to be on television anymore.
It states very specifically in your contract, you can't quit.
Ed, you're a star.
Now that's television.
What is it?
It's my breath, Ed. It's on the internet.
Oh, this just keeps getting better, doesn't it?
Forces of Nature, the original motion picture soundtrack, featuring music by U2, Chris Tuck, Hudson Love, Blue Bolt,